One man, no army, no money, no name. And within 25 years, he controlled more land than Rome conquered in 500 years. How? Not because he was the strongest, not because he was the most ruthless, but because he understood one thing that every emperor before him had missed. People don't follow power. They follow a system that makes power feel inevitable. But wait, who exactly was this man before the empire? Before the legend? A 9-year-old boy, abandoned on a frozen steppe, left to die by his own tribe. His father had just been poisoned. His family had nothing. No food, no shelter, no future. Most children in that situation don't survive the first winter. Temujin survived 20 of them. And here is the question that actually matters. What does a child learn when survival is the only teacher? He learns to read people faster than anyone else in the room. He learns that loyalty is a transaction, not a feeling. He learns that fear and respect are two completely different currencies, and most rulers spend their entire lives confusing one for the other. Temujin never made that mistake. Not once. So how did a starving, abandoned boy become the most powerful military mind in human history? He got captured as a teenager, enslaved, escaped. His wife was...